Okay, team. So you should be working on goal 4, probably from about Tuesday on. So goal 3 should be done Monday while I'm actually at school, but if not, there's the video posted there under the goal 3 climate page. So goal 4, you'll see here that under goal 4 there's 3 subcategories under energy. So make sure that you complete all of the energy sections. You'll see I've hyperlinked them on the general energy page, so if you go to climate project and go to energy, it'll bring you to this page here. Okay, and then I've linked these all to their individual pages. So let's take a look at energy relationships. So under this section, there's a bit of work that you're going to need to do. This is probably the biggest section for the project, so make sure that you've completed this and done a good job on this. So first thing you need to do is describe what the energy budget is. So the way you do that is you're going to use the resources below. So the resources I'm talking about here are linked down at the bottom. Okay, so this is provided by NASA, you'll see here, all right, and this is the Earth's energy budget. Okay, this is information on how solar radiation comes in from the sun and in different ways that it's reflected, and this would be something like light energy, okay, and this would be radiant energy, and then some transpiration of things like that. So what I want you to do is you should be able to click on these images and it'll open up a new page so that you can read them quite a bit easier. So there's a lot of information here that I want you to collect so that you can understand what the Earth's budget is. All right, so that's goal number, objective number 1 here, describe the energy budget. So you're going to read that. Here I've given you some information. Net energy budget equals incoming radiation minus outgoing radiation. So that should give you a little idea on how to interpret the information. All right, so what that means is that all the energy coming from the sun minus the outgoing radiation is the net energy budget, and in general our net energy budget should be 0. So keep that in mind as you're watching these videos and reading through the information provided. So you're going to watch this 2-minute video on the greenhouse effect. It's pretty succinct and there's good information in there, so take a look at that. And then in a blog post, so again you're going to go to your blog page, create a blog post and describe what is this energy budget. So you're going to do that in your blog page, and then you're going to talk about the greenhouse effect and how this impacts our energy budget. All right, so you're going to need to watch this video. You're going to need to look at these resources down below to answer this question and put this in your blog. I'm not going to give you a limit on how long this should be, but you should be able to do a pretty good job of describing what this energy budget is and how the greenhouse effect impacts that. So I should be able to understand, as if I wasn't your teacher, but as if you were explaining to someone that didn't know anything about climate and what we've talked about so far. All right, so then on second goal here is on your energy relationships page, you're going to define the following terms. So this should be pretty easy. You should be able to just Google these terms. The terms are also in your textbook if you would like to look at them there. I would like you to put this in your own words, okay? You can use the KISS principle, which is keep it simple, stupid. So take a look at that and make sure you have all these inserted somewhere in your energy relationships page. You can do that how you like. Just make sure they're there in some way or another. Okay, you're going to watch this video here, which is talking about sort of seasons and the tilt of the Earth, etc., and how that also impacts our climate. So you can click this link here if you want to open it up into a YouTube page, or you can just watch it on the website here. What you're going to do is, again, on your energy relationships page, you're going to make your prediction of the angle of incidence in Ponoka, Alberta on today's date. So you may find it useful to know the length of day, and if you click here, this will tell you the sunrise and sunset on today's date. So whatever that date is, you can take a look and see the angle of incidence in Ponoka, Alberta. So just do your best to make a prediction of what that angle might be. You might want to look at this information provided in this video. Make sure you're looking at the right season. It is winter right now. We just finished the longest day of the year on December 21st, so you can kind of make a bit of a prediction based on the angles shown here in this video. Um, you can look through this presentation, also made by NASA. It'll give you some information on how the Earth's energy budget works and what things that we need to consider as we answer these questions. So you should be able to go through that and get a ton of information there. All right, so that is it for the energy relationships section of the website. So take a look. I'm going to do another video for energy transfer and energy flow. So take a look at those videos to make sure that we're keeping up with all of what we need to include in our web pages. Good luck!